Welcome to my channel. I have been dying to say this because it's a very long time that I was wanting to let's make a YouTube video. Let's come in person and talk. So let me introduce myself. The one who know me, a very special hi and thanks for watching me. The one who don't know me, welcome to my channel. So this is Seema Kapri. I hail from Uttarakhand, but I was living in Delhi from last 2 decades. But now recently 2 months back, I am shifted to Hyderabad and enjoying this South Indian life. So if I talk about myself, I am graduated from Delhi University. Then I work as a full-time educator in Bayful. It's an institute in Satyaniketan. If any one of my students is watching me, a special hi and thanks to you. If I talk more about myself, then I shifted to Hyderabad in the month of July for my professional life. The purpose of making this video is that I just want to say hi to all of you who were watching my videos. Initially, this channel was created during the lockdown because I just want to create some of the YouTube videos in order to deliver some knowledge. I'm so happy that finally it's happening. So stay tuned for my upcoming video. I hope this much of introduction about me was helpful for you due to the video. So I'm so happy and excited to share all these journey and experiences with you. So stay tuned and you can let me know whatever the suggestions you want to give me. Thanks for watching me. Love you all.